Hey everyone, this is Kevin Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me at my media channel. And today we are going to be unboxing The Hunger Games, the Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. I actually like this movie. I thought as far as prequels go, this was a very interesting one. I liked this guy in it. I liked Rachel Zegler and of course Peter Dinklage. Always great. And so let's look at this Ultra 4K release. As you can see, it's got like a little shiny cardboard cover. That's always nice on the shelf. I like how it has the Hunger Games symbol on the side. On the back, it shows a lot of scenes and characters from the movie. And this has the 4K and the Blu-ray and, of course, a digital copy. Now, you take it up, and sure enough, it's the same thing, just not holographic. Oh, less pictures on the back, though. Less pictures on the back. Okay, that's interesting. Interesting how okay, it says 4K there. On the back, it doesn't really say. Oh, there it says 4K. So, okay, so let's see what the discs look like. I'm not predicting a whole lot. I'm predicting, black disc for the Ultra HD and a blue disc for the Blu-ray. It would be nice if the Hunger Games symbol showed up on at least one of the discs, preferably the 4K disc. Let's take the digital code out because I am going to use that one. Sorry, folks. There will be other giveaways. Okay, this is a lot better than I expected. We have... Oh, that's really cool. So the Songbirds and the Snakes. That's a neat little design choice. That's a neat little design choice. Of course, all the important information like runtime, rating, and things like that are hidden in these little white lines that surround the disc. But yeah, that's really good. I even like how they put Songbirds and Snakes. So they actually put some thought into that one. That is really, really cool. And now here's the thing, I probably would have liked a steelbook of this. I admit I would have. So I have all the Hunger Games movies, including Part 2 in 3D, which is an import. So this is obviously going to go on the shelf. Looking forward to that. And now with this, I think I officially need to make a Hunger Games list on my Fandango at Home account, because now there is definitely enough movies to justify having such a list. But that being said, I'm curious, what do you all think of this movie, this release? Do you have it? Are you going to get it? What do you think of it? I'd love to know. Comment below, like, share, subscribe. And as always, I'll see you at the movies. Take care.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters, and I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running, and of course is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to, it is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.